Okay, so the next test here, starting exercise chapter 4, okay, quadratic equations. These are the portions, so let's start it. Under this, question B1, so heading 1, question B1, exercise 4.1, page 77, open your textbook to there. Let me read the question. Check whether the following are quadratic equations or not, that means, right? So first one, here, given to us is x plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. So basically what we're required to be doing is convert this into the simplest expression and check whether it's a quadratic equation or not. In other words, as it is given now, we can't say for sure whether this is a quadratic equation or not. So we are required to change it to a simpler form by simplifying. So this is in the format of a plus b whole square, and this is a very common formula. We know a plus b whole square is a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab, a very common formula. So let us apply that. A is x, b is considered to be 1 now. So a square, this one, plus b square. So plus b is 1, so 1 square, plus 2 into a into b. So a is our x here, b is 1. So that is the left hand side is equal to 2 into x is 2x, plus into minus is minus, 2 3s are 6. Okay. Now let us simplify this. X squared plus 1 square is 1 plus 2 into x. 2x into 1 is 2x. And here 2x minus 6. Now to clearly simplify it, let us bring everything on the right side to one side to the left. So if you bring this plus 2x to left side, becomes change the sign minus 2x, and minus 6 brought to left side will become plus 6. And all the terms we have brought from right side to left side, and there is nothing left on the right side, and we know nothing is 0 actually, right? Now we can add up or subtract the like terms. X squared is alone, so that is, we can write it. Then let us go to x squared and x here. 2x minus 2x, 0. Plus 2 minus 2 plus 2x minus 2x is 0. Then plus 1 plus 6 is plus 7 is equal to 0. Now let me write this in a format where x will appear. X squared plus 0 plus 7 equal to 0. I'm just putting here plus 0, okay, because it doesn't affect the total value. It's still same. X squared plus 7 or x squared plus 0 plus 7 is the same. Why we did that is because we want to convert it into the general form of a quadratic equation. 0 into x is 0. 0 multiplied to anything is 0. So I can put whatever I like here. Conveniently, we are putting x to match up the general form of quadratic equation. So 0 into x, 0, plus here 7 equals to 0. Now this equation which is in the form of the general, quadratic equation, famous one, ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. What we mean by that is here, x squared, x factor, x term, sorry, no x, the term having no x squared or x here, 7 is called a c. So it's matching here, ax squared, so here nothing means a is here plus 1, b is 0, and c is 7. So since this equation is in the general form of a quadratic equation, therefore it is a quadratic equation. The question is asking us whether this is in the form of a quadratic equation or not. By simplifying, we found out in this format this is in the form of a quadratic equation, so that is the answer. Okay. Now simply putting, the more accurate definition is any polynomial, okay, equation which has the variable means the x like this unknown, highest power is 2, then that's called a quadratic equation. If the highest power of a equation is 2, it's called quadratic equation. If the highest power is, you can see here, highest is cube 3, then it's called cubic equation, cubic polynomial equation, okay, cubic quadratic. If the highest power is 1, for example, x plus 1 equal to 0, it's called linear equation. Highest power of the unknown variable is 1, then it's a linear equation. The highest power is 2 of that of the variable, it's called a quadratic. That's the basic. So here the highest power is x squared, and it can be manipulated to express in the general formula of a quadratic equation. So it's a quadratic equation. Okay, so let us follow the next one. Next question 2, subheading 2. Here subheading 2 is x squared minus 2x is equal to bracket minus 2 into 3 minus x. So we can write this one here, x squared minus 2x, and we're going to simplify. Outside sign and number multiply to inside, then this bracket will remove. Minus into plus is minus, 2 3s are 6, minus into minus is plus, 2 into x is 2x. So when we'll multiply the outside signs together with the number to the inside, the bracket disappear, okay. Now let's bring everything on to one side, x squared minus 2x as it is here, and if you bring this minus 6 to left side, it becomes plus 6, plus 2x brought to left side become minus 2, change the sign plus to minus. All terms brought, nothing left, so it's equal to 0. Now let us add up or subtract the like terms. X squared is alone, so just keep it like that. Here minus 2x is minus 4x, because we know minus 2 is addition, a2 plus 2, 4. When both are minus and we're adding, it is, sign is minus. So here minus 4x, and then here plus 6 equal to 0. This is the simplest format that as we can write it. So comma, which is definitely in the form, general formula, ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equation. Okay, so here, because now you may be confused with this, here it is plus bx, here minus 4x. Let me just explain it. We did not show this, but for understanding, I can write it exactly in this form, plus, see here, x squared, right, and then plus you put, then minus 4x is the same, plus and minus, minus, then plus 6 equal to 0. Now it's in the form of exactly this one, see here, ax squared, 1 is a, then plus bx here, plus, b is minus 4x, c is plus 6. So it's a quadratic equation. Means it can be expressed in terms of the general form of the quadratic equation, which we need not show. Even if it's minus, we have x squared x and c, then x squared x, and a third term, then that's in the form of a general quadratic equation. Let's go to the third one. Okay, third one. Read the question for us. X minus 2 into x plus 1 equal to x minus 1 into x plus 3. Okay, so here let us just this will multiply both these. After that, this number minus 2 will multiply both these, then all the brackets will disappear. So let's start with this one. Plus into plus, plus, x into x is x squared, plus into plus is plus. The no sign means plus, so x ones are x. So this has multiplied both, so you leave it aside and go to next one. Minus into plus, minus, 2 into x, 2x, minus into plus, minus, 2 ones are 2. Likewise, I'll do here same thing as we've done here, so we can do faster. X into x, x squared, plus x into 3, 3x, then go here, minus into plus, minus 1 into x is 1x, which is, we need not write 1 if we don't want. Then minus into plus is minus, 1 3s are 3. That way the bracket gets removed. Before shifting that this side, let us deal with these common factors, common like terms. Like terms means the terms having the same literal factor. Here the literal factor is x, here also x, so they are like terms. Bigger one is -2. Here nothing in front means +1. When it's minus and plus, we subtract, so 2 minus 1 is 1. And the number having bigger absolute value is always put up, so bigger absolute value has minus sign, so here also minus. So plus 1x minus 2x is minus 1x, which we did not write 1. Then here minus 2. Similarly, x squared plus here. These two are like terms, x, so like terms. So put a bigger absolute value up, which is plus 3 up. Smaller absolute value is minus 1. No number means 1. Always put it down. Bigger one up, smaller one. Bigger one up along with the sign, smaller one down. Plus minus means subtract. So 3 minus 1 is 2, right? And the bigger absolute value 3 has plus sign, so the answer here 2 also will have plus. Here the bigger absolute value after subtraction has bigger absolute value 2 has minus, so here minus. Here bigger one is plus, so here we're getting plus 2x. So when we combine these two, we get plus 2x minus 3. I hope you're getting right. So x squared minus x minus 2, and bring this one to left side, then no sign means plus become plus changes to sign minus x squared. Plus 2x becomes minus 2x. Minus 3 becomes plus 3. Everything brought to left side, nothing left, so 0 equal to 0. Then here plus x squared minus x squared is 0, we know that. Minus x minus 2x means bigger one minus 2. Here nothing there means these two are like terms, that's why. No number means minus 1. Here minus is there, that's why. When both are minus, we add 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus means minus. So minus x minus 2x is minus 3x. Then here minus 2 plus 3. Bigger one is plus 3. Smaller absolute value is minus 2. Always put the smaller absolute value down. Absolute value means the value of the number without considering the plus or minus sign. Okay. 3 minus 2 is 1. Bigger absolute value has plus, so here plus. So minus 2 plus 3 is plus 1 is equal to 0. Now, the first term having x, we usually like to put positives, which we can easily do. Change it then to plus. If we change this, this also will change, minus 1. And everything this side also will change. But 0 has no sign, so we need not put minus. 3x minus 1 equal to 0, or minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0 are same. Now, clearly, there is no x squared here. It's only x, which is not in the form of the general quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Clearly see there is no x squared factor, so an equation having no highest value x squared is not a quadratic. This is highest power is 1, x to the power 1 is a linear equation, not quadratic. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. That means this equation is not a quadratic equation. Okay, now let us go to the, this is number 3, I think, if I'm not wrong. Yes, 3, okay. Then go to 4. Subheading 4. Here, x minus 3 into 2x plus 1 is equal to x into x plus 5. X plus 5, okay. So, this is number 4. We have to, as it is, we can't tell whether it's quadratic equation or not. So we have to simplify it and bring it to its lowest form. So we can easily identify whether it's a quadratic or not. Right now we can't, so let us simplify. X into 2x, 2x squared, x into x squared, plus into plus, plus. I've explained this, multiply these to both. So x 1s are x, then minus into plus, minus. 3 2s are 6, and then there's an x. Minus into plus, minus. 3 1s are 3. That way the brackets disappear. This side is simple, x into x squared, plus into plus plus, x 5s are 5x. Then let us deal with these two like terms because they're like terms, x. So Bigger absolute value, put it up, minus 6. Smaller one here, clearly plus 1, so put it down. Minus plus means subtraction, we know that. 6 minus 1, 5. Bigger absolute value, 6 as minus. So this answer 5 will also have minus, which means plus 1x minus 6x is minus 5x. This 2 is del, now minus 3. X squared plus 5x. Now you can bring everything to the left side, on one side rather. Bring this one to left side, minus x squared. Bring this one to left side, minus 5x. Nothing left on right side, 0. I hope you're getting. Okay, next here, 2x squared minus 5x. Minus 5x is minus 10x. What we mean is both are minus, so we add 5 plus 5, 10. Both are minus means the sign is minus, so minus 10x, this 2. Then, oh, wait, we have to do with x squared also. So here, x squared, here also x squared. Plus 2, bigger 1. X squared, so like terms. So here minus 1. Subtract 2 minus 1, 1. Bigger 1 plus, so here plus. Bigger 1 minus, so here minus. Bigger 1 plus, so here plus. So 2x squared minus x squared is 1x squared, which is simply plus 1x squared. 1 may not be written. Then these two are done. This all tick, then only 1 is left. Minus 3 is equal to 0. Yes, same as the textbook, which is definitely in the form of general form ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. As you can see, x squared, x c minus 3. Therefore, it is a quadratic equation. Okay. I hope you're getting it. You can write these things on your graph if you want. We'll do the next 4 more are there, 5 to 8 in the next class. Okay.